everyone, this is Manisha. Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a super fun evening because we are going to the canal on the cruise. But for me this is the first time, so I'm so excited. Lovers Canal Cruise are the best canal cruise in Amsterdam. If you're coming from outside Amsterdam, you must do this. It's really fun. The drive starts from the central station of Amsterdam, and for the ticket you can book from their website, or there are lots of packages. Depends upon you which package slot suits you. But we chose the Light Festival, which is in the evening for 75 minutes, and it cost us around 26 euros per person. But the prices varies from package to package. The best thing I like the audio guide. There is an audio guide in 19 different languages, which is very useful. The audio guide on board uses GPS so that you hear is always about what you can see outside the window. As a visitor, you can learn about Amsterdam. There is even a special audio guide to tell you all about the artwork and the artist who made them. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. It is a winter evening time, but we didn't feel that much cold because they maintain the temperature very well. They install the heater inside the boat. It's really cool. The best way to enjoy the festival, I mean to say the Light Festival, is with Canal Cruise. You can get a first class view of the Light Festival, which you can relax and look around. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. So finally the journey is going to end. They will drop you off again in the same place. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.